I now invite Director Sir to present the moment to Dr. A.R. With these expressions of gratitude, we now move to our award distribution segment. For the Best Researcher and Best Memorial Awards, I would request Dr. Mamta Rana ma'am to present the award. The Best Researcher goes to Ms. Shikha from Team 1. Memorial goes to Team 6, Ms. Ritika Kumari. Thank you, ma'am. Now for the Best Speaker Award, I would request Dr. A.R. Tripathi sir to present the award. The Best Speaker goes to Mr. Sumit Shah from Team 5. Finally, for the runners-up, winners and the rolling trophy, I would request Professor Dr. A.A. Borai sir to present the awards. The runner-up is Team 1, the participants, Mr. Ravi Roshan, Mr. Prabhat Mishra, Ms. Shikha. The winner is Team 5, the participants, Mr. Sumit Shah, Mr. Anil Kumar Chaudhary, Mr. Nilesh Singh, thank you so much.
हाँ सबको बुलाना आप आइए अभी आइए
you so much, Garima. I feel it a privilege to give the vote of thanks today at the successful culmination of this wonderful third Intra Moot competition 2025. First and foremost, of course, I cannot express my gratitude enough for our honorable director, sir, who has been a pillar of support for us for these two competitions. Last year also we organized. This year also we organized, and all these awards that you see is courtesy, sir. If it had not been for the support of sir, we would not have been able to organize this event. He's always been a pillar of support for us, and for that, sir, we thank you so much from the core of our hearts that you always keep supporting the Department of Law. You always keep supporting every endeavor and every activity that you do, and you are always behind us, sir. So for that, and from all the faculty members, all the students of Department of Law, all the research scholars, I thank you so much from the core of my heart, sir. Keep supporting us, and you're always a pillar of strength for us. Moving ahead, the Dean and Head School of Law, Dr. Mamta Rana, who's recently taken charge 2 months back. This is her first Intra Moot. She's been instrumental in supporting all the activities. Before that also we've had so many events. And now this Intra Moot event, so Madam has been very supportive. And she has been very active as far as student activities are concerned. So my sincere thanks on behalf of myself, my whole team, the faculty members, the students, the research scholars, and all the participants to her for her kind support to this particular event. Thank you so much, Madam. Next, Dr. Alok Ram Tripathi, Secretary TLSA and Civil Judge Senior Division. 2 महीने में तीसरी बार से हमारे साथ हैं. So that just goes to show that he really cares for our department, and he always spares time whenever we call him for any activity. And this time also when Madam invited him, he did not take more than 2 minutes to respond, and he said yes for this event. So it is really wonderful, sir, कि आप हमेशा हर event में हमारे साथ रहते हैं. You are there to guide our students, you are there to tell us the legal aspects, the technical aspects of everything pertaining to every event. And continuously आप हमारे बच्चों को inspire करते रहते हैं to be a part of DLSA. जैसे आप अपनी students को भी बोल रहे थे. So it's integral that you listen to the advice of people in this field and you take use of every opportunity that comes your way. DLSA जाइए, ऐसे events में participate करिए. Before this event, we were having a discussion with the Judge Saab, and Madam was sitting, Dr. Chaturvedi, me, Mani Madam, मियाँ जी भी बैठे हुए थे. यही मौका है आप लोगों को अपनी skills को showcase करने का. Yes, अगर आप अपनी skills यहाँ showcase करेंगे तो हो सकता है आपका future यहीं से secure हो जाए. आप किसी moot में participate कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे कोई अच्छी law firm आई है, उसके कोई representative आए हैं, maybe they pick you up from there only. That this student is speaking so well, this student is such a good researcher. Why not we pick him up from there? और आजकल का ज़माना तो showcasing का ज़माना है. आपके पास skills हैं, आप अपनी skills showcase करिए. And if you showcase them at the right place at the right time, then you have every probability to make it at the right moment in your life and be at your desired place. So never hesitate to be a part of these events. So again, I would like to thank Dr. Tripathi to be a part of us, to always keep supporting us, and to always be here whenever we invite us, whenever we invite him. And so we hope that in the future also, whenever we invite you, you will be a part of the activities. Thank you so much, sir. Then I would like to thank Dr. Dinesh Negi also, who's not here, sir, but you can kindly convey to him that he was also instrumental in his support to us, and he was running around even in holidays for arranging for all these trophies, and we really appreciate the efforts that he takes, on the advice of sir, and on our request, he always is there for us. So in absentia, I thank Dr. Dinesh Negi. Then my colleagues and faculty members, Dr. Chaturvedi has been instrumental. He was the convener last year. I learned a lot from him, and this year also he has helped me a lot, and he has been instrumental. Yesterday also he was there till 4 p.m. My colleague and my research scholar, of course now my colleague, Dr. Imani Vishd, also very supportive, who was the judge also, Dr. Chaturvedi was also judge in the preliminary round, Madam was also judge in the preliminary round. So I thank both of them. They have been very supportive, and they have really helped us out in many activities that we carried on in the past 2 days, leading to the culmination of this event. So thank you both, and thank you Dr. Pitresh Bhatt in absentia, who was also the judge in the preliminary round. He's not with us, but I thank him again. Then of course, all the participating team students of LLB 4th semester and 6th semester. आपके बिना ये competition हो ही नहीं पाता, और आप ही के लिए ये competition था. आप लोग ना आते, जैसे मैडम ने कहा, 19 टीम से सिर्फ 6 टीम्स रहेगी. That was very disappointing. We expected at least 10 teams to participate. और ये event 2 दिन चलता, और आप लोग नहीं आए. हमने आप लोगों के लिए postpone भी किया. Nonetheless, that is up to you, but I congratulate all of you who participated. All the members who participated, they really deserve appreciation because, as ma'am rightly pointed out, life is all about balancing. You can't make excuses every time. कि ये तो कभी करना नहीं हो. You always have to balance it out. आपको balance करना है कि मुझे ये भी करना है और ये भी करना है. आप एक चीज छोड़ नहीं सकते. बैलेंस किया, ये लोग आए, अपनी प्रतिभा को दिखाया और देखिए आज ट्रॉफीज लेके जा रहे हैं साथ. इनके भी एग्जाम्स हैं. इनका भी आई एम श्योर 25 या 26 को इन्होंने भी अपना पीजी का एग्जाम दिया, बट स्टिल दे वर हियर. सो आई रियली एक्सपेक्टेड मोर थिंग्स टू कम, बट नेवरलेस लेट्स होप कि फोर्थ सेमेस्टर जब 6th में जाएगा, जैसे नीलेश बैठा है यहाँ पे, और सेकंड सेमेस्टर जब अब 4th में आएगा और पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका मिलेगा तो ये लोग जरूर आएंगे. सो सेकंड सेमेस्टर आल्सो मींस accolades. You were not allowed to participate because you are very young, but you were part of the organizing committee. बहुत सी committees में आप आए, and I assure you आप सबको due certification मिलेगी. Everybody will be provided certificates, and this is not about certificates. It is about being a part of the team and learning as a member of the team. Because teamwork generally से जो आप सीखते हैं ना, वो individual work से नहीं सीखते. आदमी throughout individually रह जाता है, टीम में काम करना उसे नहीं आता. टीम में रह के अगर आप टीम वर्क सीख पाए और आगे काम कर पाए टीम्स में, that will be highly effective for you in the times to come. So this is all about learning. So all accolades to LLB second semester students also. Then our MTS Srimati Geeta Bhatt, who has been again instrumental in all the help being provided in different aspects. So I thank her for all her support. Last but not the least, I would express my heartfelt thanks to all the research scholars of our department, जिनके बिना ये competition हो ही नहीं पाता. All the research scholars present here, so they are an integral part of our department and they really work very hard, sir. I cannot name everybody, but everybody has worked very hard, sir. But I have to take 2 names, sir, who are right in front here, sir. One is Garima. She was a part of the Moot Court committee, and of course the other is Surya. He was also part of the Moot Court committee. So they have worked day in and day out. So the proposition was also made by these 2 students only. Okay. It is their original thinking. That's why I called him, sir. No better thinking. They deserve all the credit, sir. They have worked very hard behind the scenes, sir. I was out for 2-3 days, but they were working behind the scenes. I shower the best of praises to both these research scholars and all my other research scholars also. जिनका नाम मैं नहीं भी ले रहा हूँ, उन्होंने भी बहुत काम किया है, sir. Everybody has been head of a certain committee. Like Aradhana is there, like Arpit is there, Subhash is there, Sundar is there. All the research scholars, sir. Satyendra is also sitting here. They have all worked in different capacities. Sudhanshu is also sitting here. So all credits to all the research scholars. They have made it, behind the scenes. They worked very hard. And not only for this event, sir. They are our lifeline. They are our backbone. In research scholars की वजह से ही हमारा department vibrant है. And they work day in day out, sir. 9:30 research scholars आते हैं और 5 बजे हमारे साथ ही वापस जाते हैं. So all accolades to them, sir. They are training themselves, of course, for the future. And जितना भी काम यहाँ पे करेंगे, we always tell them ये इन्हीं के काम आएगा, sir. Future. Of course, आप department की growth में भी contribute कर रहे हैं. And we'll always praise you for that. But जो भी आप यहाँ पे सीख रहे हैं, that is going to contribute towards your own development and towards your own future endeavors. With this, I again, thank everybody sitting in this room, and I also thank anybody whom I might have missed out on, but who has equally contributed towards the success of this event. So once again, I thank Director Sir. Once again, I thank Dr. Tripathi. Once again, I thank Mia ji for coming here. Once again, I thank my faculty members. Once again, I thank the participants, the research scholars, the students, the MTS, and everybody who's worked behind the scenes. Thank you all, and I hope that you've enjoyed this third version of the Intra Moot competition. And I assure you on behalf of the Dean and Head and on behalf of all faculty members that this tradition which has started will continue now, and we'll continue it every year. ये बढ़ेगा, ये कम नहीं होगा. एक इवेंट से हम 2 पे जाएंगे और 2 से हो सकता है 3 पे जाएंगे. But this is only going to continue, and the only beneficiaries of this event are going to be the students of this department. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much.